So basically we started with just a caravan, just the empty caravan, and this is what we got to. So hey, and welcome back. In this video we're gonna continue modeling this container, mainly finishing whatever we started. Just we're not gonna do the V-Ray. I know you want to do a V-Ray. I'll do a full V-Ray. I'll keep it, I won't do fast forward V-Ray. I'll do it slow, and I'll try to explain every process that I do and what I think and whatever. And I hope so. That'll be I guess next week, and maybe it'll be split, like I'll split the video because it'll be too long. But this video is basically finishing the environment, finishing whatever there is to finish on this project, and then I'm gonna I'm gonna do V-Ray the week's follow up. Regarding, I've been asked, I want to thank everybody that comments and like everything on my channel. That's really nice. I just want to to thank you very much, and I really appreciate it. And I've been asked when I've been asked to show the plugins that I use, so I'll do it in the end of this video. Hopefully I'll put a part where I explain it. So if you want to see that, just go to the end. Okay, I'm now gonna model, and then I'm gonna show my plugins. So thank you for watching. So basically we started with just a caravan, just the empty caravan, and this is what we got to. So let me just walk you through the thoughts a little bit. So I'm experimenting here something new, and that's gonna be the part with the grass and the dirt, and we'll see how that will work. Okay, and basically it's gonna be like a grass field. Here we have a pathway to come. Underneath the container probably won't be any grass, so that's why we did this. We did some we put some concrete boxes to put the container on top of it, put some trees, put a small deck in front of it, and I'm pretty happy with the result. So let me know in the comments what you think. Next video will be V-Ray for SketchUp on this project. Maybe a little bit fixing texturing and stuff like that, but we're gonna start V-Ray, and I hope we render something beautiful from this. Okay, so this is for this project. Regarding the plugins I use, so basically I use the solar panel very much. This is set the sun, so let's say the sun system is not the way you want it to shine your scene, so you can use this one and it moves the north. Sometimes I use it accurate, but sometimes I just use it whatever works for me good, so that's a good plugin. Sandbox I use here a lot. Sorry, I use here on this project Sandbox. I have this DID BAC plugin. I use it sometimes when I do plans and stuff like that, so that's something I use sometimes. Round corners I use all the time. It's a great plugin. It rounds the corners and makes stuff better looking, and also for rendering that's better, so we might use it. For example, this box will be very sharp, and in real life you won't get sharp edges like this, so you should do round corners. I have I have the mirror plugin, and I have a lot of plugins. I don't use it so much. I have this one, I don't use it so much. So basically those are the ones I use. Sometimes I use special ones, and so for example, I did a project and I needed to have the molding going across, so for that I used Flowify, and here you can see how I used it. You need to have it all set up very specific. I can do a tutorial about that, so that's Flowify. And other than that, I used to have cleanup, a bunch more, but now I don't use it so much.